Hello guys, it's me, your girl again, Alison. You see, that is a banana plantation. This is maize. So people here are agriculturalists. Most of them come from far and they come and they do their agriculture from here. In my language, you call it matoke. What is it? Was it jail? We are grazing our goats from here. So, those are bananas. People are active farmers here, not passive. They're active. They grow everything. They grow everything. That is cassava. Cassava. This is maize. Some of you call it corn. We get posho from maize. So this is our property. This one is not ours, but this is ours. My sister's, because I'm living with my sister. Those are beans. I will be showing you how to remove this weed. This weed. That is maize, just growing. I'll be showing you. That is cassava. Okay guys, let me end the video here.